ये मान ले सब कुछ तेरा हो जाएगा, सब कुछ तेरा। ये मान ले सब कुछ तेरा हो जाएगा। चिंता सभी मिट जाएगी और मन विमल हो जाएगा। सब सौंप दो प्यारे प्रभु को।
Om Shanti and good morning, everyone. We will continue with yesterday's Murli. I hope I'm audible.
Yes, you are audible.
Thank you, sister. So let's continue. So yesterday, Baba spoke about having nishchay, samay ko safal karna, making the right use of time, and how we can control our karmendriya. So let's continue. The success in service and revelation will increase according to the drama anyway. It is increasing now, is it not? Previously, you used to give invitations, but now you're receiving invitations. And so the revelation of success in service is taking place, is it not? You do not need to be given a stage or a degree, but this is the revelation of service. What is that degree compared to the degree received from God? Udaipur University presented Dadiji with a doctorate degree. This is also a means of revelation. So, service is being revealed through this means. You will definitely receive a ready-made degree. The day will come when the religious leaders will invite you and make you chief guest. Now, they have to maintain their external formalities, but internally, they feel that you, pure souls, should receive the seat. The political leaders even say that you make them into chief guests, but that it would be better if you become that. However, within the drama, their name is mentioned, your task is accomplished. So here Baba is saying that previously we or the Brahma Kumaris used to invite a lot of chief guests for spreading the knowledge. And Baba is also saying, what is this degree in the Laukik, whether it's your master, PhD, or any degree? What is it in comparison to the one which uh, Baba is giving us, the godly degree? We are godly students, right? So this is the biggest which we would get. And this also reminds me of one anecdote from Adidev. When Brahma Baba used to go and meet the kings, they used to tell that it is you that who deserves to be on the throne, and your kingly sanskars, your royalty, this is what makes you the king. So even though we have the leaders or the political president or prime minister, they all accept that truly it is the Brahma Kumaris or the Dadis, they used to tell that you deserve to be here where we are. Let us sit on the seat of throne, I would say. Just as revelation in service is taking place and the method is changing, in the same way, all of you should bring about the revelation of perfection and completion in yourselves. There is a need for this now, and you will definitely become complete. The memorial from every cycle shows that your success is already guaranteed. What is the rosary of victory? You become victorious. You became the embodiments of success. And this is why there is a memorial. So you cannot prevent this destiny, no matter how much someone thinks that you're that not as many are ready as yet, or that there are still complications as yet. There is no need to be afraid about this. There is the memorial of the guarantee of success every cycle. What will happen? How will it happen? There is no need for these questions. It has to happen. It is fixed, is it not? No one can make the fixed destiny fluctuate. If the boat and the boatmen are strong, then storms become the means to make the boat forward. The storms, tufan, become a gift, tofa. This is why there are biplots in between and they too will continue. However, the unshakable destiny is fixed. Do you have this much faith? Or do you sometimes become afraid when you see yourselves fluctuate? I don't know how it will happen. I don't know when it will happen. Are there these question marks? These storms will become a gift. Do you understand? This is called being victorious through having faith in the intellect. Simply follow the Father. Acha. Here Baba is saying that there are times and due to some issues, problems, हमारी स्थिति कैसे ऊपर नीचे, it just keeps on fluctuating. And sometimes we get so disheartened that we start blaming Baba also. आपने ऐसे कैसे किया, ये कैसे हुआ, why did this happen? Oh, I'll never reach, I'll never be able to do Purushat, it's all gone. But if we introspect and see that the storms which have come in our life are definitely due to our karmic accounts, sometimes it's Maya, but all we have to do is we need to take them in a very positive spirit, no matter what the situation is. And the storms, which tufan, as Baba says, it'll become a tofa. A tofa means in some way it is helping you to move forward. We don't know, but it is. And the foundation of all of this is Nishchay. This is the unshakable destiny that yes, I have come here and I will get what I want to in this Gyan. Acha, to all the victorious souls who have unshakable faith in the intellect, to the souls who are embodiments of success in using every treasure in a worthwhile way, to those who easily follow Father Brahma at every step, to the powerful souls who maintain the awareness of the new life and the new age, to the special souls who reveal the signs of love for the Father. Congratulations, love, remembrance, and namaste for the elevated transformation and for the Avyakta year. Blessing, may you be embodiments of happiness who step away from the world of sorrow and are bestowers of happiness to all. I repeat, may you be embodiments of happiness who step away from the world of sorrow and are bestowers of happiness to all. You children of the ocean of happiness are embodiments of happiness and bestowers of happiness. You have left the world of sorrow. You have stepped away from it. So do not give sorrow or take sorrow even in your thoughts. If you feel something about someone, that is called taking sorrow. It is up to you not to take when someone is giving you sorrow. It should not be that when someone is giving you sorrow, you ask, what should I do? Check what you have to accept and what you must not accept. Become wise in whatever you accept, and you will become embodiments of happiness and bestowers of happiness. Slogan: the basis of your stage is your awareness, and so always let there be awareness of happiness. The basis of your stage is your awareness, and so always let there be the awareness of happiness. Om Shanti. So we have finished reading the Murli. Now we'll proceed to Bap Dada's meeting with the groups. It's in Hindi, group number 1. महावीर वो जिसके स्वप्न में भी दुख की लहर न आवे। सभी अपने को महावीर अनुभव करते हो। महावीर अर्थात मास्टर सर्वशक्तिवान। जो महावीर आत्मा है उसके लिए सर्व शक्तियां सदा सहयोगी है। ऐसे नहीं कि कोई शक्ति सहयोगी हो और कोई शक्ति समय पर धोखा देने वाली हो। हर शक्ति ऑर्डर पर चलने वाली हो। जिस समय जो शक्ति चाहिए वो सहयोगी बनती है या टाइम निकल जाता है। पीछे शक्ति काम करती है, ऑर्डर किया और हुआ। ये सोचना व कहना न पड़े कि करना नहीं चाहिए था लेकिन कर लिया। बोलना नहीं चाहिए लेकिन बोल लिया। So your Baba is saying that, is it that when we want to use a certain power, we are not able to use it and we're just using some other power instead? धोखा देती है. And we can take any example. It could be something that a situation probably at your home requires you to be cooperative, sahiyogi, but because of ego issues, you refuse to do so. So at this time, we are not using the power of Samaniki Shakti to be with everyone and go ahead. And these are some checking points which Baba is saying. Are we really Master Sarva Shaktivan? Because only then हम महावीर कहलाएंगे. That will be worth calling महावीर. इससे सिद्ध है कि शक्ति समय पर सहयोगी नहीं होती। सुनना नहीं चाहिए लेकिन सुन लिया तो कान कर्मेंद्रिय अपने वश में नहीं हुई ना। अगर सुनने नहीं चाहते और सुन लिया तो कान ने धोखा दे दिया। अपनी कर्मेंद्रिया अगर समय पर धोखा दे तो उसको राजा कैसे कहेंगे? राजयोगी का अर्थ है हर कर्मेंद्रिय ऑर्डर पर चले। जो चाहे, जब चाहे, जैसा चाहे, सर्व कर्मेंद्रिया वैसा ही करे। महावीर कभी भी ये बहाना नहीं बना सकता कि समय ऐसा था, सर्कमस्टेंस ऐसे थे, समस्या ऐसी थी। नहीं. So Mahavir cannot make excuses such as, oh, okay, the circumstance was like that. उन्होंने ऐसे बर्ताव किया, he was behaving like that. And so I had to get angry. I cannot be calm and peaceful at that time. But if we are Mahavir, then no, we would not give any such excuses. We would definitely use the right power, is being peaceful at that time. समस्या का काम है आना और महावीर का काम है समस्या का समाधान करना, न कि हार खाना। तो अपने आप को परीक्षे के समय चेक करो। ऐसे नहीं, परीक्षा तो आई नहीं, मैं ठीक हूँ। पास तो पेपर के टाइम होना पड़ता है, या पेपर हुआ ही नहीं और मैं पास हो गया। तो सदा निर्भय होकर विजयी बनना। कहना नहीं है, करना है। छोटी मोटी बात में कमजोर नहीं होना है। जो महावीर विजयी आत्मा होते हैं, वो सदा हर कदम में तन से मन से खुश रहते हैं। So your Baba is saying that the papers, if we don't get papers, how are we going to be evaluated? Just in our Laukik life, when we give our exam papers, then we receive the marks or the degree. So if we are applying, can assume for a post, and there are no paper or any entrance test, how will we come to know कि हमने कितनी पढ़ाई की है, हमारी कितनी धारणा हुई है, how much dharna have we done? So we need to consider the papers which are problems, anything as a paper, and then we have to pass with honors. So for that we need to be fearless ki theek hai, some problem has come, it's okay, I'll overcome it, and not just saying it but actually doing it. Only then will we call as victorious souls. जो महावीर विजयी आत्मा होते हैं, वो सदा हर कदम में तन से मन से खुश रहते हैं, उदास नहीं रहते, चिंता में नहीं आते, सदा खुश और बेफिक्र होंगे। महावीर आत्मा के पास दुख की लहर स्वप्न में भी नहीं आ सकती, क्योंकि सुख के सागर के बच्चे बन गए। तो कहाँ सुख का सागर और कहाँ दुख की लहर, स्वप्न भी परिवर्तन हो जाते हैं। नया जन्म हुआ तो स्वप्न भी नए आएंगे ना, संकल्प भी नए, जीवन भी नई. Baba is saying that here we have to be so carefree and so happy that even in our dreams, we don't have to become sad or I would say there is this thing called Yog Nidra, where Baba always says. I cannot relate it exactly to here, but Yog Nidra is basically in between Sona or Jagna. That is, we are not completely awake or just completely asleep. And there was an experiment in the US where one of the gurus, he had been to some university and he was sleeping, and so there are some professors who were talking. He was in deep sleep, and when he woke up he said that you all were discussing all these things, and they were surprised, the scientists. They said how, and he said that because though I was sleeping, I could still catch what you were saying. So such has to be a sleep, a powerful sleep. And there are a lot of meditation commentaries these days coming up. So this is something for us to practice in the near future. जब बाप के बन गए तो जैसा बाप वैसे बच्चे। बाप सागर और बच्चे खाली हो, ये हो सकता है? सागर का अर्थ है सदा भरपूर। सागर के बच्चे और सुख से खाली हो जाए, कौन मानेगा? सागर कभी सुख नहीं सकता. So an ocean can never dry. So just like our Father is full of everything, we cannot become empty at times. And in today's uncertain period, we realize that how important it is for us to be mentally strong and give Sakash other help, everything. And for that, the most important thing is we have to be full. And yes, that is what Baba is saying. कितना भी सुखाते रहे, लेकिन सागर समाप्त हो सकता है, तो सदा बाप की विशेषताओं को याद रखो. बाप क्या और मैं क्या? कभी मन में भी रोना न आए. दुख की निशानी है रोना, और खुशी की निशानी है नाचना गाना. अगर मन में भी रोना होता है तो समझो दुख की लहर है. सुख के सागर के बच्चे हो तो दुख कहाँ से आया? ऐसा अलबेलापन नहीं रखना. हो जाएगा अंत में, ठीक हो जाएंगे नहीं, धोखा खा लेंगे. तो सदा सुख के झूले में झूलते रहो. इसको कहा जाता है महावीर. Here Baba is saying that it is not that we cannot cry also, even in our thoughts, and of course not in actions too. We have to be happy, sukh ka sagar, ocean of happiness every moment. And it's not like, okay, ठीक है, आगे जाके I will be like that, वैसे आगे जाके मेरी स्थिति ठीक होगी, नहीं. Because if you don't start practicing from now, it's not going to happen in the end moment. In the 1 second paper, we won't be able to pass. So this is another checking point for us. So now group number 2, Baba is meeting. फरिश्ता बनना अर्थात कर्म करते भी कर्म के बंधन से मुक्त होना. So even by doing our task or work, उसके बंधन में नहीं आना. We don't have to be completely tied up, और बंधन में नहीं आना. सभी अपने को डबल लाइट अर्थात फरिश्ता समझते हो. फरिश्ते की विशेष निशानी है फरिश्ता अर्थात न्यारा और बाप का प्यारा. पुरानी दुनिया और पुरानी देह से लगाव का रिश्ता नहीं. देह से आत्मा का रिश्ता तो है, लेकिन लगाव का संबंध नहीं. एक है संबंध और दूसरा है बंधन. एक है कर्म बंधन और दूसरा है कर्म संबंध. तो संबंध तो रहना ही है. जब तक कर्मेंद्रिया है तो कर्म का संबंध तो रहेगा, लेकिन बंधन नहीं हो. So we are all in a relation, that is all the soul connections which we call. सबके संबंध में तो आना है, whether it's our लौकिक अलौकिक परिवार, that is okay till we are there. सब कर्मेंद्रिया है, organs are there. Yes, we will come in contact the संबंध, but we don't have to come in the bandhan. And this is where Baba is saying that संबंध में आना तो है ही, in relation, in contact, but we don't have to be in bandhan, bounded by it. बंधन की निशानी है, जिसके बंधन में जो रहता है उसके वश रहता है. जो संबंध में रहता है वो स्वतंत्र रहता है, वश नहीं होता. So the sign of being in bandhan is that we are completely in control of that person. We feel जैसे उस इंसान की स्थिति, the stage of that person directly affects our stage or our sthiti. And we have experience at times even before coming to Gyan. For example, a friend of ours is very upset or angry at us. Suddenly, instead of sorting it out in a very detached way, we also become engrossed in some fight and start talking ki aise kaise, how did you, I didn't expect this from you, because we are in bandhan, we are not in sambandh, so we can't think ourselves as detached. And instead of giving the love of Baba or Baba's light, and as Mohini Didi in one of her class said that there are some families or many families who come to us saying कि ये ज्ञान में नहीं है, वो नहीं है, तो हम क्या करें? So she said that don't force them or don't say anything कि आपको आना है. Just give them Baba's light, be in contact with them, and your stage should be such that there should be atmic akarshan, the attraction they should feel towards you as a soul, and the love for Baba or the presence of Baba they should feel. And she said in the beginning, she also used to wonder ki, why there are not, why not all her family members are in Gyan. But slowly she said that today 14 to 16 of her family members are Samarpit, and around 60 members or 70 members in her family are in Gyan. So this is just an example that we have to come in sambandh पर किसी के बंधन में नहीं रहना. फरिश्ता अर्थात कर्म करते भी कर्म के बंधन से मुक्त. ऐसे नहीं कि आज आंख कहे कि ये करना ही है, देखना ही है, तो वश होकर के देख ले. जैसे कोई जेल में बंधन में होता है तो जेलर जैसे चाहे उसको बिठाएगा, चलाएगा, खिलाएगा. तो बंधन में होगा ना, वो चाहे मैं जेल से चला जाऊं तो जा सकता है, बंधन है ना. ऐसे पुराने शरीर का बंधन न हो, सिर्फ सेवा प्रति संबंध हो. ऐसी अवस्था है या कभी बंधन कभी संबंध. बंधन बार बार नीचे ले आएगा. तो फरिश्ता अर्थात बंधन मुक्त. So the first step or the rule is, if we have to reach the angelic stage, we have to be bandhan mukt. There should be no bandhan, only sambandh. ऐसे नहीं कोशिश करेंगे. कोशिश शब्द ही सिद्ध करता है कि पुरानी दुनिया की कशिश है. We cannot say that, okay, I'll try. No, there cannot be any word called try. कोशिश नहीं करना है. करना ही है, होना ही है उड़ा देगा, के नीचे ले आएगा. तो कोशिश शब्द समाप्त करो. फरिश्ता अर्थात जीवन मुक्त, जीवन बंधन नहीं. ना देह का बंधन, न देह के संबंध का बंधन, न देह के पदार्थों का बंधन. ऐसे जीवन मुक्त हो. अव्यक्त वर्ष का अर्थ ही है फरिश्ता स्थिति में स्थित रहना. So your Baba is saying that not just the deha ka bandhan, the bodily bandhan which we are saying, but even of any food item or any such attraction towards any post, position, anything. It's time for us to be completely detached from all these things. चेक करो कि कौन सा लगाव नीचे ले आता है. अपनी देह का लगाव खत्म किया तो संबंध और पदार्थ आप पे ही खत्म हो जाएंगे। अपनी देह का लगाव अगर है तो संबंध और पदार्थ का लगाव भी अवश्य ही खींचेगा। इसलिए पहला पाठ पढ़ाते हो कि देह भान को छोड़ो, तुम देह नहीं आत्मा हो। तो ये पाठ पहले अपने को पढ़ाया है। देह भान को छोड़ने का सहज से सहज तरीका क्या है? So the first lesson that all of us, whenever we read in our Murlis, is Dehaban. We have to forget body consciousness. And so Baba is saying how we can forget it. चलो आत्मा बिंदी याद नहीं आती, खिसक जाती है, लेकिन ये तो वादा है कि तन भी तेरा, मन भी तेरा, धन भी तेरा. So the first step is whatever we have, it is हमने बाबा को ही समर्पित किया है, right? So even if we receive our salary, or if we are working, we receive our stipend, salary, anything, धन का example, we consider it कि ये बाबा का है, we have given it to बाबा, हम वैसे ही use करेंगे, whether it's giving to the यज्ञ, फिर थोड़ा सा हम अपने लिए रखेंगे, and we'll use it for the right purposes, for the right reasons, and in a very economical way, क्योंकि हमने वो बाबा को समर्पित किया है. सब, so everything, मन भी, it is all बाबा's, तन भी तेरा. This is how we forget, कि ये मेरा कुछ भी नहीं है. जो भी मेरे talents है, what my talents are, anything for that matter, accomplishments, whatever such uh, ideas we have in our mind, we forget that because we know, no, I have been given this by Baba. This is what I have to use for service. So there's nothing mine. So we cannot come in body consciousness if we all think like this. जब देह मेरी ही है ही नहीं तो लगाव किससे? जब मेरा है ही नहीं तो ममता कहाँ से आई? मेरे में ममता होती है. जब मैंने दे दिया तो लगाव खत्म हुआ. इस एक बात से ही सब लगाव सहज खत्म हो जाएंगे. अभी ये देह बाप की अमानत है सेवा के लिए. तो सदा फरिश्ता बनने के लिए पहले एक प्रैक्टिकल अभ्यास करो कि सेवा का अर्थ है अमानत है, मैं ट्रस्टी हूँ. So the first study is that we are all trustees. We have given it to Baba, and we just have to ensure that we make the best use of all the resources and everything we have. We have given it to Baba. There is no mamta. When is mamta? ये मेरा है, ये मेरा बच्चा है, ये मेरा घर है, or anything for that matter. ट्रस्टी अगर ट्रस्ट की चीज में ट्रस्ट नहीं करे तो उसको क्या कहा जाएगा? इस बात को पक्का करो, फिर देखो फरिश्ता बनना कितना सहज लगता है. मेरा एक बाबा और मेरा सब कुछ इस एक मेरे में समा गया है. We have to just remember that, yes, मेरा एक बाबा, my बाबा, that's the only my we can use. सभी समेटने और समाने में होशियार होना. वो मेरा मेरा है फसाने वाला, और ये एक मेरा है छुड़ाने वाला. एक मेरा कहा तो सब छूटा. अच्छा, दिल्ली वालों ने कौन सा माइक तैयार किया है? दिल्ली में माइक तो बहुत है ना. जितने दिल्ली में माइक है उतने कहा भी नहीं है. अबू ने माइक तैयार करके दिखाया है, लेकिन दिल्ली वालों ने नहीं किया है. तो फॉलो हेडक्वार्टर, मुख्यालय. माइक से जो सेवा होती है और आप जो सेवा करेंगे, कितना फर्क है। आप खुद अपना परिचय दो और दूसरा आपका परिचय दे, तो प्रभाव किसका पड़ेगा? तो माइक का काम है आपका परिचय देना। इसका प्रभाव तो पड़ता है ना। चाहे मन चाहे चाहे नहीं माने, लेकिन ये तो समझते हैं कुछ है। पहले ये तीर लगता है, फिर कुछ के बाद सब कुछ होता है। तो पहले तीर लगाओ। So while reading this, the example I could think was, since it's of Delhi, I thought of the example of Sister Shivani and the series of Awakening with Brahma Kumaris, and how many souls, when they watched the program for the first time, wo tir nishane pe laga. They're also, okay, what is it? What is she saying? Something different she's saying. And that's how there were many souls in the later period from 2008 or 7 onwards started coming into Gyan because they found it interesting. There's something different she's saying. It's not the usual channels which they used to watch of different gurus. So that is the influence of Mike, that is giving Baba's Gyan, but it's the instrument is very powerful because Baba wants the message to reach, and hence the instrument is very powerful and of course instrumental in bringing many people to Gyan. माइक तैयार करो, क्योंकि दिल्ली का जो माइक निकलेगा उसका आवाज और भी बुलंद होगा। दिल्ली का माइक और पावरफुल होगा जो वर्ल्ड में आवाज फैला सकेगा। इस वर्ष ही तैयार करेंगे या दूसरे वर्ष? दिल्ली की धरनी तो देव आत्माओं का आह्वान कर रही है। दिल्ली की धरनी पर ही देवताएं आएंगी, तो दिल्ली वालों को सेवा भी ऐसी करनी है। अच्छा, हिम्मत रखने वालों को मदद मिलती है। Now Baba is meeting the third group. विश्व राज्य के तख्त नशीन बनने का आधार है अकाल तख्त नशीन बनना. So we want to rule the world, विश्व राज्य, world rulers. उसका आधार है the immortal throne, अकाल तख्त नशीन बनना. अपने को तख्त नशीन श्रेष्ठ आत्मा अनुभव करते हो. आत्मा सदा किस तख्त पर विराजमान है जानते हो. इसको कौन सा तख्त कहते हैं? अकाल है ना. आत्मा अकाल है. इट इज बियॉन्ड द, जिसको काल खा नहीं सकता. इट इज अवे फ्रॉम द बॉन्डेज ऑफ टाइम. इसलिए उसके तख्त का नाम भी अकाल तख्त है. आत्मा शरीर में सदा प्रकृति के बीच अकाल तख्त नशीन है. तो तख्त नशीन जो होता है उसे राजा कहा जाता है. तख्त पर तो राजा ही बैठेगा ना. तो आप आत्मा भी अकाल तख्त नशीन राजा हो. और अकाल तख्त नशीन आत्माएं बाप के दिल का तख्त और विश्व के राज्य का तख्त भी प्राप्त करती है. तो तीनों की तख्त कायम है. तख्त पर बैठना आता है या घड़ी घड़ी नीचे आ जाते हो. जो पहले अकाल तख्त नशीन हो सकते हैं वही बाप के दिल तख्त नशीन हो जाते हैं. Only then from immortal throne can we sit on Father's heart throne, जो बाबा के दिल पर चढ़ते हैं, as we say. And then we become विश्व के राज्य, that is the world rulers. जो दिल तक नशीन है वही विश्व के राज्य के तख्त नशीन हो सकते हैं। तो पहला आधार है अकाल तख्त। स्वराज्य तो विश्व राज्य है। जिसको स्वराज्य करना नहीं आता, वो विश्व का राज्य नहीं कर सकता. So the first step is being self-sovereign. That is the basis. If we are not self-sovereign, we can't control our senses in either in physical organs or subtle way, then we cannot get Vishwarajya, that is world rulers we cannot become. How much time is left? Can we continue? Vimish brother?
It is 6:11.
Okay.
So
I
I think we can take the churning now.
Yeah. So we'll stop here for today and let's take a few moments of silence and then we shall start with the chanting. So we can start sharing the points and let's discuss.
Yeah, Baba has said a very beautiful point. Two things are there in the last group meeting, which you have mentioned. Baba has mentioned in the Murli that when we are seated at our takht, means when we are at the soul consciousness stage, in the right smriti awareness that who am I, then it is not possible that Baba will not be remembered. Naturally, whom do I belong to? The second thing will come, and then only we are constant in remembrance with Baba, and then only we will get the Dil Takht Nashi. And second thing which I really like about, I will take on for myself when Baba was meeting to the group too, that first we need to be in that Atma Abhimani stage, and whatever Baba has explained, I just felt that we always have to be in the guest consciousness stage, that I'm trustee in this body, and karam bandhan nahi, but karam sambandh, which is very important. Sometimes we say that why these family members are not coming to Gyan. I want them to be in Gyan. So wanting is still there. वहाँ पे भी चाहिए है, which is not Srimad, which is not Baba's knowledge. That is actually a subtle wanting, which Baba is like pointing out. So that is way I think we should be aware, and we should be in that smriti. Thank you so much. Om Shanti.
Thank you, sister. That was a wonderful sharing about the awareness of soul conscious stage and yes, about being Atma Bhimani. And yeah, anyone else who would like to share? There's so much to learn.
Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.
Okay. Go ahead, sister.
Yes, Anu, sister.
Okay, so I liked Baba emphasized faith in the intellect, faith in Baba. So the questions like I don't know shouldn't be there in my dictionary language anymore. I liked it. Baba said Mahavir is the one who remains in happiness constantly. And for that, Baba said also that test papers, without exam, I cannot pass to the next level. So if I'm experiencing situations as exam, that means it's my time or I'm ready to move to the next level. So if I look at it that way, I'll pass and I'll be happy and also I'm taking the awareness, as is your awareness, that is the basis for your stage. So I'm the fortunate child of unlimited Father. Baba is always with me. So what is the awareness I have to hold with all this information of knowledge as well, that everything that's coming my way is to take me forward, and Baba is making me fly. So yeah, Mahavir awareness, happy. Everything is a test paper. It's good thing, and no questions asked. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, no questions asked. Thank you, sister. Yes, Ami, sister.
I said means today's Murli Baba said about Farishta means always make your stage an angelic stage and don't be go in the cycle of Bandhan and Sambandh. So I'll take that. So remain free from bondages also. Om Shanti.
Shanti. Yes, yes,
Om
Anshu,
Shanti.
sister.
Yeah, Om Shanti. Like Baba said, no questions and Akal Tak stage. You are always on sitting on four hats, sparkling, and so much of test period for everyone here right now in practicals. Because Baba says, then only you will pass with honor. So, and the key also, Baba said, those, those who can't do the whole studies, 4 page of Murli, and so much of knowledge, we can't keep everything within mind. Only one thing, it's permanently, it should be in our mind, that's Mera Baba. And if Baba says, no, you give everything what you have to me, and I just want all the rotten stuff you've got from last 63 births. So hand over that to me and take everything mine. So at the present time, if we can't remember anything else, if we are in that intoxication, Mera Baba, he's with me with unlimited support. And whatever he has, that's mine. So what he has, whole Paramdham, it's peace, detachment, situate there, that Sukshvatan being angelic. I don't have any bones. I'm imperishable, immortal, cannot be destroyed. And here at the present practical drama, whatever is happening, some unpleasant news and everything. So within, I have to remind myself constantly, it's for my good. I'm learning, I'm grooming, evolving out of it. So that smile, unflinching faith, support. And if I empower myself in these vibrations, then I'm contributing. And if I droop down, chances are more to droop down because forgetfulness, our old sanskaras to be always in body conscious, but have to non-stop keep reminding ourselves, no, I'm that star and Mera Baba, he's with me. That Madhuban is mine. I go to Madhuban and sit there for hours. Many times I refresh myself. All the centers in the words, they are mine. Baba's versa of Sukh Shanti, peace, love, everything is mine. The whole family is mine. All dadis are mine. All the literature of books, Avyak Mullis, they are for me. The library is for me. If I say Mera Baba means everything I have. So, Om Shanti, Om Shanti.
Thank you. That was very deep. Yes, the feeling that Baba is with all of us who are here and all the souls out there. And that's a very big feeling. And all of us are, the one point which I'm also taking is that it's a challenging period for all of us in different ways. And the only one common thing which all of us have is the Father. And he is definitely out there to support all of us and give that strength. And yeah, I also feel good listening to all these different points. Thank you. Yes, anyone else would like to say anything on some point or any experience? We have some time still left, so feel free to share.
Om Shanti. So, what I find very interesting is the concept of Mahavir. Any pain for me is not only the real pain, whether it's physical or emotional. It could even be a little bit of variation where you're not in your stable state. And to keep reminding yourself कि मैं महावीर हूँ, मैं victorious हूँ. and using Baba's energy for that. And if we keep doing it throughout the day, it's quite challenging, yes, but I think slowly and steadily we do get there. You know, on certain days when we find that ज़्यादा किया है, तो you can feel कि you've become so stable कि कुछ भी आपके around हो रहा है तो आपको फर्क पड़ता ही नहीं. And आप इतनी stability के साथ, like the trusty word was used there, trusty के तौर पे you do your work, चाहे आप office में हो, चाहे आप घर पे हो. And these kind of messages which Baba has given is really empowering because it really makes you think and it makes you work towards that. So these are the key words for me. All are of course important, ऐसा नहीं है, but I think practically वो pain को कैसे deal करना है, and pain can be just a disturbance, you know. महावीर रहना है, victorious रहना है, तो उसका thought नहीं मैं victorious हूँ, मैं I'm not going to be destabilized. I think that's very important. Om Shanti.
Thank you. Yes, this awareness is very important, and sure all of us will get there, sister. It was wonderful. Yes, Anshu,
Om
sister.
Shanti. Yeah, I will add here what sister said. It's really, true. Yesterday, I came to know one news from our center. One young officer, maybe from army, yeah, and he passed away. And 1 month back, he's done one shooting for Brahma Kumaris, how we should be practicing this Raj Yoga. And that when I saw his photo, to be very frank, first instance, I mean, I was really shaken up. I want to admit it here. It took some time, and I could see him as angel. Lots of peace went for there. I kept churning about the drama's point. Everything is beneficial in this drama. The soul is, he has done that part of his with his family member. He's gone to the new role. Everything I did, everything is okay. Then evening I came to know even wife is in hospital. Then more challenges. So Baba told me, every time you have to be with me, keep churning, keep giving, then only you'll be able to give if you are empowered. It's really difficult, but come what may, we have to be 100% in that support system of Mera Baba that will do the needful, make me empower, and will help me to face this and make me emerge as victorious. Om Shanti.
Om Shanti. Yes, thank you. That was, thank you for sharing this. It is indeed a tough period, but yes, we will all emerge out of this victorious, and Baba is there with us. Sujata sister has written in the chat, Baba draws us towards stage of angelic form, detached from bondage, but related to the tasks, bondless, we are independent in this stage. I am a trustee, only Mera Baba, not mine. No question, nothing. Just follow Father. Om Shanti. This stage is so special. The canopy of Baba's blessings, comfort, company experience is priceless, immortal as compared to Laukik. Where things are uncertain, no faith, tentative material, but we are empowered with Baba's love, concern, remembrance, which makes us powerful, elevated, flying stage. Om Shanti. So, thank
I
you.
want to
Sujata.
add one more
Yes.
thing what Anshu sister had said. It's very beautiful, and really we have been going through a lot this time in different way. So one more thing I do for myself, I don't know, maybe it would be beneficial that whenever your mind is not stable or you cannot just sit in yoga or remembrance with Baba, if we would just randomly open any page of Avyakta Murli and start reading, that also be very helpful and bring our stability back. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sister. Yes, so we'll all start. It's a very helpful tip. Thank you. We'll all practice it. Yes. So thank you, Sujata sister, Reshma sister, and everyone for your sharings. I think if we are done, we can move on to the meditation.
Yes, you can do that today.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, would you like to put on a video today?
No, actually, due to some technical issues, I won't be
No
able
problem.
to do it
No problem.
today.
No
We'll
problem.
try tomorrow. Thank you.
No.
Ami sister, could you please share the meditation music?
Yes.
Thank you. Sit back and relax. Forget all your worries. Finish the Vikalpa. Set yourself in a peaceful, powerful stage. I see myself seated on the immortal throne, a point of light in the remembrance of Baba, comforter of hearts. I am beyond the attraction of worldly desires, and as I see myself in this state, I experience soul consciousness stage. Just feel this for some time. Be in the awareness of soul consciousness. My every thought, word, and action is elevated. Baba's sanskars are my sanskars. And as we experience all those divine qualities in ourselves, and we are radiating it to the world, to every soul who needs it. Imagine yourself, the soul, becoming full with all the powers. And now, everyone, all the people, all the souls are experiencing angelic stage. मैं फरिश्ता स्वरूपी, I'm an angel, and in this Swaroop, I'm helping all the other souls to feel Baba's presence around them, radiating the energy of the Supreme everywhere. Just feel and be in this consciousness and slowly come back. Now, as we come back, be in this remembrance every moment every second that I'll be victorious. I am victorious, and I will be victorious once again. Om Shanti. Thank you, everyone. It was a wonderful discussion, and hope to see you all tomorrow. We'll continue with the meeting of the other groups, and have a nice day, everyone. Yes.
Thank-
Thank you.
Om Shanti.
Om Shanti. Bye. Have a great day. Yes. See you all tomorrow. Bye.
Om Shanti Didi.